Well, as expected, a scorcher out there on this Friday. Afternoon highs low to mid-90s. And then, of course, you factor in the humidity, and it felt more like 104, 105 in most locations. Now, hot and stormy to kick off the weekend, but the good news, a big break in the heat and humidity as we close out July and welcome August. We'll heat things back up as expected with more storms late in the week. Speaking of, we had big storms rolling through northeastern, eastern Kentucky, and that actually took the edge off of the heat. Those continue off to our east. It has been quiet, and where it has been mainly sunny, we've really cranked things up. Our Bluegrass Pace Care Skyview HD Camera Network. Richmond EKU 95, a bit of a southwest wind at 10 to 15. Feel like they're at 103 with our dew points way up there. You see Eastern Kentucky 77, Moorhead 86 in Jackson, everywhere else in the low and mid 90s. I mentioned those higher dew points, and again, that is really adding to those heat index values climbing up to the danger zone. 104 to feel like Lexington, 106 in Frankfort, 105 in Somerset. And you see the spread out west. We've got 97 at Evansville, feels like 106, 96 in Louisville, feels like 108. So really a lot of issues. The heat advisory goes till 10 o'clock Friday evening. Notice that sliver of eastern Kentucky that has been eliminated because of that rain-cooled air from those departing storms earlier. 73 to start, 93. Now, when they update the almanac early evening, I'll be interested to see if we reach 94. That would make it the hottest day so far here in Lexington in 2023, 87 and 67. We've been 93 the last 2 days. There's your frontal boundary off to the north. That's going to be sinking to the south, and that will be the game changer as we get into the second part of the weekend. Our in-house data still wants to fire up some additional storms over the same areas that saw them earlier, which wouldn't be a good thing. It may be a little bit overdone. Low to mid-70s tomorrow morning, and then as the afternoon wears on, I think we're going to sneak into the low 90s. Once again, we have a low-end level 1 severe risk. Damaging winds a primary threat, but just like the flooding event, Harrison, Nicholas, Robertson counties last night, flooding rain, a lot of lightning. But once we get this front through, then things really begin to improve nicely. We get more of a north to northwest wind, high pressure, drier air, so not as hot on Sunday. And then 86 on Monday, less humid. Check this out. Look at how temperatures, our dew point temperatures with the muggy meter take a dive, and our overall temperatures drop as well. So we're going to go from one extreme to the other here. We're looking at low 90s, a hot day tomorrow with those thunderstorms possible. But look at things as we wrap it up Monday, July, and kick off August. How about mid-80s and low humidity levels? So it's going to feel great comparatively speaking. We'll heat it up a bit with more storms back in the forecast late next week.